I'm so happy and glad to be here. I hope I am audible. मेरी आवाज आ रही है? ऊंचा बोलूं? Okay, that's it now. Okay. Uh, I just want to talk about a little about myself. I am a visual artist by practice, and when I was looking at this backdrop from day one, Jogi Utar Pahado Aya, there is a picture next to it. Let's call it a painting. You know, as a visual artist, every language converted into a visual or 3D in my existence. So I cannot undo looking at it and then finding it very much present over there. And I just want you also to look at it, and I want you to draw an attention to the display also, and the presence of so many stages, transitions, multi-perspective in the painting as well. But when I was looking at it, and then I decided to look at it into a little. Where is the picture? The real one, I think it's there. I need this clip. Okay, anyway, the picture is rectangular and the placement is very circular over there. So somebody actually give it a thought to place it in a circle, and it's actually creating a narrative for me, in another context. I am going to talk about yogis practices woven spirituality, but I also want you to talk about the state of being and state of becoming as well through textiles, focusing on Ajrak. So I'm going to start my presentation. It's mostly reading, and everything is available on the slides also. Okay, sorry. नहीं बंद करके Okay, this research explores the intersections between yogic spiritual practices and textile traditions, with particular emphasis on the Ajrak as a living legacy of ancient knowledge systems by archaeological evidence, historical records, and craft practices. Harappan textiles serve not merely utilitarian function, but embodied spiritual and philosophical understanding that connects them to later yogic traditions. Through the lens of Ajrak pattern and techniques, how spiritual consciousness was materially expressed in woven forms offer new perspective on the cultural continuity between ancient civilization and contemporary spiritual practices. For context and significance, I'll be talking about the study of ancient civilizations through this material culture reveals layers of meaning beyond basic functionality. Textiles as organic materials created through deliberate human intention represent particular significance in understanding spirituality worldwide. The Harappan civilization developed sophisticated textile production techniques that not simply a technological achievement but as expressed of cosmological understanding. Archaeological evidence indicate that Indus Valley alongside Egypt and China were extracting pigments from plants, minerals and insects as early as 2000 before Common Era, demonstrating advanced knowledge of color, chemistry, and its application to the textiles. The Ajrak tradition represents a continuous thread connecting ancient textiles knowledge to the contemporary practices. The research positions Ajrak not merely as a folklore artifact but as a material manifestation of deeper epistemological system rooted in yogic and spiritual philosophies. The research question: what evidence exists for spiritual and yogic dimension in Harappan textile productions? Primary objective is to demonstrate that Harappan textiles function as material source of spiritual knowledge, and that studying surviving tradition like Ajrak making offer experimental access to understanding ancient cosmological systems. Indus Valley civilization ka it's a little bit of introduction. I have I've been to two papers in last conference about color and about Ajrak tradition as well. So this time I'm going to quickly go through cosmologies. The Harappan civilization encompasses the Indus Valley and surrounding region, represents one of the history's most sophisticated urban culture. Archaeological excavation at site revealed evidence of planned cities, standardized weight and measures, and complex social organizations. While much of the civilization's written script remain undeciphered, the material culture provides substantial evidence of their technological capabilities and aesthetic values. The civilization demonstrates that from the Vedic period onward, India developed structure emphasizing spiritual understanding with yoga evolving as a functional practice aimed at integrating body, mind and spirit with the environment to ensure well-being. Textile evidence from archaeological records, while direct textile remains from the Harappan period are rare due to organic decay. The Harappan civilization demonstrates sophisticated understanding of the material chemistry through the evidence of dye production and application. The knowledge system that developed regarding natural dyes would later become foundational to traditional like ajrak. Archaeological context from neighboring civilizations and later periods show that textile dyeing with natural material like indigo, madder and mineral pigments was fundamental to South Asian material culture. It's not limited to Punjab basically. Indus Valley seals and artifacts depict figures wearing textiles suggesting both utilitarian and ceremonial function. The seal design suggests that textile patterns like other cultural makers carried shared meaning within society. Continuity of the thesis is from Harappa to later traditions, since yogic practices and tradition of Ajrak is in two later traditions. One aspect of South Asian cultural history is the remarkable continuity to the certain practices, technologies and symbolic system across millennia. While the Harappan civilization declined around 1300 before Common Era, many scholars argue for cultural persistence and subcontinent, particularly regarding spiritual and textile practices. Traditional Indian wisdom emphasized more principles and human values with special attention to the higher goal of life such as moksha, which imparted a variety of life skills and understanding. This suggests that Harappan knowledge system were preserved through oral tradition, craft practices and cultural memory finding expression in Vedic and yogic tradition. Okay, now we will talk about foundations of the yogic cosmology. Yoga, rooted in ancient India, represents far more than physical postures. It constitutes a psychological system, a philosophical system addressing consciousness, energy, and structure of reality itself. The Sanskrit word yog means to unite, reflecting yoga's fundamental goal of balancing mind and body and integrating individual consciousness with cosmic consciousness. The concept of yoga evolved from the very roots of Indus Valley civilization's idea to integrate body, mind, and spirit into the environment to ensure well-being. The sacred characters of the weaving across cultures. Weaving holds significance as a metaphor expressing spiritual principles. Handicrafts, which are created from the living needs of society, have developed from past to present and have become cultural phenomena embodying social, emotional tastes and artistic understandings. Traditional handicrafts are living documents of the material and spiritual culture heritage of society. In Indian textile traditions, the act of weaving involves rhythmic, meditative engagement with material in ways that parallel to yogic practices, I believe. The coordination of hand and eye, the repetition of movement, the bringing together of different elements, raw and weft, all constitute spiritual practices. This is what I believe. Patterns and symbolic and cosmological order. Textile patterns represent more than aesthetic choices. The symbolism of pattern across traditional Indian textile reveal layers of meaning related to divine principles, natural cycles, and spiritual stages. Patterns derived from natural forms, flora and fauna, often refers the interconnection between human consciousness and natural cycles essential to yogic philosophies also. The examining of heritage of textile traditions, scholars have noted that Indonesia and Kazakhstan, like India, have rich cultural heritage expressed through intricate patterns and unique threads. The richness and variety of textile patterns and techniques show the cultural characteristics of different regions and their spiritual significance. It's a universal phenomenon, I believe. Natural dyes and energetic properties. The use of indigo, madder and other natural pigment is not merely a practical matter, but involves understanding the energetic properties of the plant materials. Traditional knowledge system understood these materials not simply through chemical properties, but through their vibral and spiritual characteristics. Please note that. The consistency and quality remains of natural dyes require deeper understanding of plant cycle, lunar influences, and material interactions. I really wanted to add the way of the water as well. knowledge that overlaps with Ayurvedic and yogic pharmacological wisdom. The convergence suggests that textile artisans possess sophisticated understanding of material transformation rooted in broader spiritual epistemologies. Ajrak tradition and ancient practice in contemporary context. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा अजरक को इसमें इसलिए शामिल नहीं किया कि because I addressed it last year in thorough detail. The Ajrak tradition represents one of the South Asia's most sophisticated textile techniques. I'm not going to claim it belongs to Sindh or somewhere else. I think it's South Asian textile technique, characterized by intricate block printing and resist dyeing method that produce complex multicolored patterns. The technique involves multiple stages of resist application, dyeing with natural indigo and madder, and block printing and sequence of operations requiring sophisticated understanding of material chemistry and pattern mathematics as well. So there is a question. The characteristics, geometric patterns found in Ajrak tradition design, concentric circles, diamond formations, and complex intersecting lines correspond to classical depiction of chakra systems as well. It's an ongoing research. This is a new question I'm looking after. The patrons also describe all these practices as well. The dyeing process as spiritual practice. It's a dialogue in itself. The Ajrak dyeing process requires extended engagement with natural materials in carefully controlled rhythms and sequences. This process itself mirrors aspects of yogic practices in several important ways. Repetition and rhythm included, material transformation included, seasonal and lunar cycle is also included. It creates the quality of indigo dyeing practically depends on atmospheric conditions and temperature, requiring artisans to work in harmony with natural dyes. This is the reason the process is evolving with the passage of time, day by day, because of the environment, the climate, the socio-political existence. The artisans as spiritual practitioner. This is what I wanted to talk about, from the core of my heart. In Harappa and subsequent textile traditions, rather than viewing textile as economic activity, let's recognize artisan as spiritual practitioner, producing objects carrying spiritual significance. This understanding aligns with broader Indian philosophical tradition that engaged work, karma, yoga itself, consisting spiritual practice when performed with the right intention and awareness. The focus required for block printing, the attention necessary for complex weaving, and the careful timing for dyeing all constitute forms of meditative practices integral to yogi philosophies. This is what I believe, and I cross-verify a few. Embodied knowledge and the body as text. Textile involves the body in intimate ways. Figures, hands, arms, and the whole body participate in creating patterns and color. The engagement connects textile artistry to yogic practices that emphasize precise bodily engagement and awareness. The knowledge of textile production cannot be fully conveyed through written instructions. It must be learned through practice and sensory engagement. This mirrors the yogi emphasis on direct experiential knowledge over purely conceptual understanding. The transmission of textile knowledge parallels the guru-shishya, teacher-student relationship central to yogic transmission. Cultural continuity and identity preservation. The symbolic and aesthetic representation of cultural tradition through crafts reflects community creativity, identity, and skill. This is particularly significant in context with dominant global system marginalized traditional knowledge by recognizing Ajrak and similar traditions as carriers of spiritual meaning. Contemporary scholarship supports their continuation while affirming the validity of non-Western epistemologies, please. Conclusion. The investigation of textiles through the lens of yogic spiritual practice revealed that textiles are more than utilitarian objects or aesthetic artifacts. Rather than emerge as sophisticated cosmological and spiritual knowledge, the Ajrak tradition provides living evidence of knowledge, offering material and practical access to the understanding ancient systems of consciousness and energy. By tracing multidimensional dimensions of textile productions and pattern design, boundaries between craft, art, spirituality, and science were different from those imposed by modern Western divisions. Textile tradition cannot be understood through purely technological, economical, and aesthetic framework. They require the recognition of their spiritual significance and their function in encoding and transmitting knowledge about consciousness, cosmic order, and human transformation to the coming future. Thank you very much.